Moving on, Donald Trump will become the first president of the United States to take office while several criminal cases against him are pending in various courts of the country. So does his ascent to the highest office in the US relieve him of his legal troubles? Or will the dozens of criminal and civil charges against him continue? DD India's Amritpal Singh explores.
One question that's hotly being debated here, both in political circles and the media, is what happens to the legal cases against Donald Trump. Now that he's won the election, will it mean that criminal cases against him would disappear? Trump has been battling 4 simultaneous prosecutions, 2 related to his efforts to overturn the 2020 election result in Georgia, 1 on his mishandling of secret documents, and 1 on his hush money payments to adult film star Stormy Daniels. If media reports are to be believed, federal officials are already exploring options on how to wind down the federal cases under the assumption that sitting US presidents cannot be prosecuted or jailed while in office. This assumption flows from a long-standing US Department of Justice policy, which has been reaffirmed by US Supreme Court rulings that maintain that sitting presidents cannot be tried or jailed while in office. Legal experts, however, say much would still depend on the judge.
Generally, there is no immunity for civil cases where the acts, especially when the acts are outside of the official duties of the president. Here in the civil case against Donald Trump, those definitely are acts that are related to his personal business affairs. So I don't see any immunity being given in those circumstances. Now, the federal and state criminal cases, that's more of a gray area and will be left to the interpretation or ruling of the individual courts that are hearing those cases.
Who Trump appoints as his Attorney General is being keenly watched here in the US because his AG could be instrumental in stalling the cases, if not dropping them altogether. While the Trump-appointed Attorney General could drop the federal cases against him, but the cases in New York and Georgia will have to wait until the end of his term. With cameraman Sanjay Jaina, this is Amritpal Singh for DD India in Florida.